All right, kids, we are here to go over our special sounds and to talk about today's worksheet. But let's start off with our special sounds. I have them all mixed up. And as you can see, I've got some orange ones in there. Whenever you get to an orange card, I want you to jump up and say the special sound with me. You're probably laying around right now. Laying around in your pajamas, laying on your couch, laying on your floor, laying on your bed. But when you get to an orange card, you've got to jump up. Okay, here we go. Pull in plane. P-L. Pull, pull, pull. Are you guys saying these with me? Come on, don't make me do these by myself. Ready? Squah in squeak. S-Q-U. Squah, squah, squah. I in fly. Y. I. Spur in sprain. S-P-R. Spur, spur, spur. E in me. E. E. Cur in crab. C-R. Cur, cur, cur. Jump up. R in stars. A-R. R. Stir in river. What? Oh, stir in stream. Well, why didn't you just tell me that in the first place? Let's try that one again. Ready? Stir in stream. S-T-R. Stir, stir, stir. Bull in black. B-L. Bull, bull, bull. Full in flake. F-L. Full, full, full. Dur in drum. D-R. Dur, dur, dur. K in duck. C-K. K, k, k. Orange. Or in morning. O-R. Or. You know what I just thought of? Orange also has or in morning. Can you hear it? Orange. Or. All right, back down you go. Sk in skate. S-K. Sk, sk, sk. Thir in three. T-H-R. Thir. A in pray. A-Y. A. O in go. O. Soul in sleep. Oh, sorry. It's been a long day. Jump up. Ch in church. C-H. Ch. Sh in ship. S-H. Sh. Sn in snack. S-N. Sn. This is making me hungry. Per in pray. P-R. Per. Gl in glue. G-L. Gl. Sm in smoke. S-M. Sm. Gur in grin. G-R. Gur. Cl in clack. C-L. Cl. Sp in shovel. S-P. What? It's a shovel, right? Look closely. Spit and shovel, right? Oh, spit and spade. That makes a little bit more sense. Well, why didn't you just tell me that in the first place? All right, let's try this one again. Ready? Sp in spade. S-P. Sp. Ow in out. O-U. Ow. In this. T-H. Tw in twins. T-W. Tw. In thick. T-H. Sk in scat. S-C. Sk. St in stop. S-T. St. Burr in bride. B-R. Burr. Fur in frog. F-R. Fur. Ow in owl. O-W. Ow. Did we start at sweat and swim? No. Sw in swim. S-W. Sw. Spool Pull in splash. S-P-L. Spool, spool, spool. Tur in train. T-R. Tur, tur, tur. Skr in scream. S-C-R. Skr, skr, skr. Pull in plane. P-L. Pull, pull, pull. Squ in squeak. S-Q-U. Squ, squ, squ. Okay, back to I in fly. Pretty sure this is where we started. Am I right about that? Yeah, hopefully. Okay, I think I'm actually going to stop this video right now and upload it. That way I can do a second video, which will talk about our worksheet. If these videos get too long, they don't want to upload. So I will, and that way I might be able to play this video more than, like, you can watch it more than once, since it's all of our review of our special sounds. Okay, guys, so after this video, you'll need to press your mom and dad will help you, and you'll press the next one, and that will talk about our phonics worksheet for today. Good job.